Hi, so I'm a third-year electrical engineer at UCR, and here's a simple project I did in Codologie involving an ultrasonic sensor and a LED. So here's the code, and basically, if you look at the code, here's some comments if you want to follow along, but you assign pins, these LED, trig, and echo, which are the function to keep it simple. These are just kind of a nickname for these pins, which is where you plug in the wire to. The trig and echo are what the ultrasonic sensor uses, and they use sound waves to measure distance. The trig is out because it outputs the sound waves, and the echo is in because it takes back in the sound waves to measure distance. And the LED is output because you just send an output signal to the LED to light it up. So here's the while loop, which is what continuously runs. Now, the way that the sensor works is it measures the distance by subtracting the end of when it's the end of the end time with the begin time of when the sound waves bounce back, and that's how you get a distance. And you multiply it by a constant here to convert it to inches, I believe. So that's this equation right here. And so I have it so when the distance is less than 4, you'll turn on the LED. You'll turn on the LED, and if it's higher than it, the LED will be off. And if it gets really close, so if you put your hand right here, it'll turn off the LED. So let's see if it works. So here it's printing the distances it's reading.
So what is the unit there?
That depends on this conversion factor I used, and I believe it was in inches, but I'm getting some weird readings. So, one sec.
No, you need to do some troubleshooting?
Yeah, so I did this a few days ago, and I
Okay, no problem.
haven't gotten back to it.
All right, good.
But that's it.
Question answer.
Questions?
Oh,
Yeah.
why the conversion factor is like 117,
I think somebody just told me that number. I didn't actually do the research myself, but basically it's just math involving the wavelength or the frequency, and you convert it to inches by that degree.
So what would be a real-world application?
This type of thing is used for like cars when you back up, things like that. I don't know if they actually use sound waves or if they just use infrared or what they actually use, but things of that nature.
Tesla uses ultrasonic sensors.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh,
What about the kids?
I did not know what you just said.
Okay.
So, if you had more time
Yeah.
to finish this project,
yeah,
what would you do differently?
very differently. I think it'd be more fun to add different LEDs for different distances. Making it work would be cool too. Maybe have a RGB LED for like red when you're really close, and then blue when you're far away.
Cool.
Like a heat type looking thing. That'd be fun.
Can we use it in the traffic system? Traffic signal?
Oh yeah.
No, man, I'm talking to these ladies and these gentlemen here. Possibly? Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.